My name is Ignacio Murillo. I'm the bartender here at A.O.C. We're gonna make some of the Bartlett Sour that I created for this season fall cocktail. I make it with the Bartlett pears from the farmer's market. I was looking for something paired with bourbon, so I went to the farmer's market and see what we have for fruit and everything. So I find these beautiful pears from Flora Vela farmers. I don't want to get juice from the pears because I don't want to get oxidized or turn black, dark. So what I did, I made a poached pear with the white wine, cinnamon, clove, bay leaves. And I make orgeat with blanched almonds, water, and sugar. So everything is made from scratch. We're gonna start make that, if that's okay. So we're gonna put some ice in the shaker right here. We're gonna put 2 ounces of the Elijah Craig right here, bourbon. We're gonna put 1 ounce of the poached pear puree. We're gonna put 1 ounce lime. We're gonna put a 3/4 ounce house-made orgeat syrup. All right, now we're gonna shake. All right, so we got the ice ready over here with the glass right here. So we're gonna spray over fresh ice cubes. There we go. So then we're gonna garnish with these beautiful dehydrated pears that I make over here at the house. I spray oil on top, and I put it in the oven for 180 degrees for 1.5 hours. And then after that, we just check it and make sure they're kind of crispy. And we just, so it's dehydrated right here and the wood and the oven right here. I'm just gonna put a nice garnish on top right here. And ready to go, enjoy it.